Hi everybody, my name is Jessica Pieri. I am a qualified careers advisor and the founder of a company called The Careers People. I'm making some short videos for UniTasterDays to share with schools some of the features on the UniTasterDays website that you may not be aware of that I think is going to be really helpful for you, whether you're a teacher arranging careers related events, careers coordinator, careers leader, careers advisor, no matter what hat you are wearing in school. There are so many features on the UniTasterDays website that are going to help you within your job role. Now, today we're going to be looking at the regional contacts feature, which is relatively new. I want to say it's probably been on the platform for like 18 months now. I've been using it for that time period. It's fantastic. If you've ever been in the scenario where you've sent an inquiry to a university and you've no idea if it's gone to the right person, you've no idea if they cover your area, you've no idea if you're going to get a response, it overcomes all of those challenges in a really simple way. And I don't know why it didn't happen sooner. So I'm going to share my screen and show you the resource that I'm talking about. So it's called Regional Contacts, and it basically helps you to find people who work for universities that cover your area. So just because the university is 300 miles away, there might be someone within a 20-mile radius of your school that works for that university that comes up to schools and looks after school and college liaison for your particular area. Now, very simply, you put the name of your school within here and it's going to show you all of the regional contacts that are available to you. So I am based in London and I went to put in a London school, but actually that seemed too easy because obviously we have lots and lots of universities, very dense for universities here in London. And so therefore I've gone for a school just a little bit further out. Just an example, I don't work for this school, just putting that out there. But just to show you all of the universities that come up that aren't in the direct region of this particular school. They're based in Kent. But as you can see here, we have got universities from all over the UK that can and will provide support, event support, workshop support, webinar support to this particular school. Now, once you've gone, okay, who should we go for? University of Sheffield. We click here on Maisie's profile and we can read about Maisie. So she has a decade of experience supporting students on their journeys to higher education. We already know she's got a wealth of knowledge and she's responsible for covering schools in this very vast area. It tells you exactly what sort of things you can help with and what age groups they're happy to support. We've probably all experienced it where we contact a school and they say, we'll only work with Key Stage 4, we'll only work with Key Stage 5. This gives you that information up front. So it saves time on our behalf, which is valuable. Very simply, you fill out this form here and you're not sending an email to a random university email address, sort of schools@universityofwherever.co.uk. This is going to go specifically to Maisie's inbox. You'll start in that personal connection and she can then support you and come to your school, which is fabulous. And you can do that as many times as you like to contact as many people as you like. And once you've got their email addresses, you are then, of course, connected with them and you can create long-term relationships where you can continually work with the same contacts at the same universities. Of course, you might want to switch it up or have a number of universities coming in for a particular event on a drop-down day or whatever it may be. But this is just going to give you access to people that you may not have even know existed or worked in your area. So thank you, UniTasterDays, for another really helpful feature. I hope that it helps you in your school settings and obviously end result helps your young people on their journey into higher education and going to university if that's what they choose to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, for your time today. Please keep an eye on the UniTasterDays social pages because we are going to be sharing some more videos, some other features and resources that you can use on the website. Thank you.